Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English. Hello, Sarah. How are you today?
Hi, Adam. I am doing great.
Sarah, I have a question for you.
Sure, Adam. Ask me anything.
Do you have a big family?
Well, it is not very big.
How many brothers do you have?
I have only one older brother.
Is he older than you, Sarah?
Yes, he is 5 years older.
Wow. Do you guys look alike?
People say we have the same eyes.
That is very interesting, Sarah.
But our hair is different.
Is your brother a teacher too?
No, he is a professional chef.
A chef. That sounds very delicious.
It is. He makes amazing pasta.
I am getting hungry now.
Me too, Adam. Me too.
Does he live near you, Sarah?
No, he lives in a small village.
Do you visit him very often?
Yes, we meet every single weekend.
That is very nice and sweet.
We usually have a big dinner.
Who else comes to the dinner?
My parents and my little sister.
Oh, I didn't know you had a sister.
Yes, she is still in high school.
Is she a good student, Sarah?
She is the best in her class.
Is she good at cooking too?
Actually, she's a great baker.
Wow, a chef and a baker.
Yes, they both love the kitchen.
What about your father, Sarah?
My father was a baker too.
Oh, now I see the pattern.
Yes, it is a family thing.
So everyone loves making food?
Exactly. Good cooking runs in the family.
Runs in the family. That sounds cool.
It is a very common phrase, Adam.
We must explain that phrase later.
We will. It's a great idiom.
Sarah, what about your mother?
My mother is very different, Adam.
Is she not a good cook?
No, she prefers gardening and flowers.
So no cakes from her?
No, but she grows beautiful roses.
That is a very lovely hobby.
It is. Her garden is very famous.
I want to see a photo later.
I will show you after the show.
Sarah, do you have many cousins?
Oh, yes, I have 20 cousins.
20. That is a huge number.
My mother has many sisters.
Do you know all their names?
I try my best, Adam.
I only have 2 cousins.
That is much easier to remember.
True, but big families are fun.
They are, especially during the holidays.
I can imagine the loud noise.
It is very loud but happy.
I want to practice these descriptions.
That is a great idea, Adam.
Our listeners want to talk too.
Yes, let us start our training.
Are you ready, Snack English family?
Get your voices ready right now.
What is the sentence for today?
We will describe a close family.
Perfect. This is useful for everyone.
Please repeat every word after me. Please use a clear and confident voice. We will start very short. I love my family. I love my family. Good. Now let us add more. I love my family and we are close. I love my family and we are close. Excellent. Now the full professional version. I love my family and we are very close to each other. I love my family and we are very close to each other.
Whew, that sounded very natural, Sarah.
It did. You have a great voice.
Thank you. Our listeners were great too.
I agree. Their speaking is improving.
Sarah, let's talk about your idiom.
You mean runs in the family?
Yes. Do the family members run?
No, Adam, no running today.
Then what is the real meaning?
It means a quality or ability.
A quality that many members have?
Exactly. It's passed through generations.
Like being good at cooking, right?
Yes, like your sister being smart.
Oh, can I say smartness runs in my family?
Perfect. Or being tall runs in my family.
No one is tall in my family.
Then that does not run there.
That is a very funny idiom.
It is very useful for deep talk.
Musical talent runs in their family.
Exactly. You are a pro now, Adam.
I'm learning from you, Sarah.
You are a very kind student.
Sarah, do you have any tips?
About talking about family, Adam?
Yes, for our lovely listeners.
Don't just say, I have a sister.
What should we add instead?
Add one small detail about them.
Like, she's a great baker?
Exactly. It makes the talk interesting.
My brother is a funny chef.
Perfect. That starts a real conversation.
You are right. Details are everything.
Well, our snack is almost over.
Oh, I wanted to talk more.
We have many more episodes.
I hope everyone learned something today.
I am sure they did. They work hard.
Remember to use these tips today.
Yes, talk about your family tonight.
Use the new idiom with friends.
It will make you sound natural.
Before we go, please subscribe to us.
Yes, join our Snack English family.
Click the like button if you enjoyed.
It helps us reach more people.
What should they write in the comments?
Tell us one thing about your family. I want to read all your stories.
I will read them and reply too.
Thank you for listening to us.
You guys are truly wonderful students.
Keep practicing and keep speaking daily.
We will see you in the next snack. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.